Here I have OnePlus 8T, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So firstly, let's open screen which you want to capture, for example the settings list, and here you have to what you have to do is simply press power button and volume down key at the same time, like this, and the screenshot will be taken. Let me show you one more time. Power key and volume down, and screenshot is taken. You can also take screenshot if you hold down power key, and when this menu appears you have this button screenshot, and that's another method how you can make screenshot on this device. You can find your screenshot at the gallery and the screenshots album here. Here they are, our screenshots, and from here you can edit, delete or share it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.